Hi, this is Jim Klug with Yellow Dog Flyfishing. I'm here with Ben Kurtz from Fishpond, USA. I'm excited to announce a great fall giveaway that will begin on November 18th. We are giving one lucky winner a full all-inclusive trip to Ascension Bay Lodge in the Yucatan. This is an all-inclusive 7-night, 6-day fishing package for one lucky winner. You get to experience the very best of the Yucatan, some of the best flats fishing found anywhere in the Caribbean. But in addition to the trip, Fishpond is also giving away some exciting products, including the brand new rolling StormShadow Duffel.
Exactly. Yep. This is going to be brand new, and you guys are going to have one of the first ones out there.
First ones out there. Also, a Thunderhead fully waterproof backpack, my favorite waterproof backpack, perfect for fishing the flats.
Absolutely. We have a whole other package as well that's going to be included in this, and it's going to be you're going to be down to
more gear and goodies from Fishpond.
Absolutely.
So be sure to sign up. November 18th, the contest begins. You can go to yellowdogflyfishing.com or click on any of the links on social media to register for this contest. One lucky winner will be drawn on December 18th. Compliments of Yellow Dog Fly Fishing, Ascension Bay Lodge, and Fishpond USA. Be sure to sign up.